Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Upload m3u button in FastoCloud PRO panel. So let's press Upload m3u and here appears a small screen. You can see select a file, you can choose any option you like here. Also you can write down the name of your group if you wanna and skip groups if you tick here, and also you can see image check time. So let's start from the beginning. Let's select a file we need, for example this one. Let's choose here what we wanna proxy, stay the same. Also let's add the name of our group, for example let's write dust. Don't forget to press enter here. If you wanna, you can skip groups if tick here. If not, it will stay the same. Please don't change anything here because image check time stays the same. It's automatically option. And after that, press upload. And in a minute, you will see the result below here. That's how Upload m3u works. Thanks for watching. Press I like the video button, share with friends, and enjoy using your FastoCloud PRO panel. See you guys.